When you boil it all down, there's only two things that need to happen for a client to hire you. Two things, that's it. Number one is they've got to know who you are, because if they don't know who you are, they can't hire you. That's kind of obvious. So you have to have a way of getting in front of people, getting visibility at a scale that's going to help you hit your business goals, because if they don't know who you are, they can't hire you. Number two is they've got to believe that you can deliver the goods. They've got to believe that you're the very best option for them in the marketplace. And this is where people really get stuck, because they don't know how to instill that belief in the market and how to instill that belief in the mind of the prospect. And the reason is because from an identity perspective, you as the consultant, the business owner, the CEO, you see yourself as the doer. You're the subject matter expert. You're the technician, so to speak. You're the person who can deliver the result, deliver the outcome. And you don't see yourself as the promoter. But you have to. You have to be the promoter, the evangelist, if you will, to help the market see why you have the solution that they need. Look at any business leader. Look at, Elon Musk, right? He's the guy that put the whole thing together. He's also the promoter. He's the one going out and evangelizing his products and his companies. Look at someone like Steve Jobs. What was Steve Jobs? He was the person that brought it all together, built the solutions, managed the team, assembled everything, but also promoted it. He was the evangelist that went out to the market, told the market what they needed and why his solutions were the best solutions. That's the same for you. You can't just be the doer, the technician, because then no one's going to know why they need you.